Hello, in this video we will discuss what is SNMP. Guys, SNMP stands for Simple Network Management Protocol. SNMP is a protocol that will enable a network device to share information about itself or its activities to a management server. So SNMP is a UDP based protocol. It uses port number 161, 162 both. We will discuss how it is using both the ports. First of all, let's discuss two main components of SNMP. So in SNMP we have two components. One is SNMP Manager and other component is SNMP Agent. So you can see Manager here, another component is Agent. So what is the difference between the two? What is the use of these two components? I am explaining. First of all, the end system on which you are running an application. So for example, application is web browser or application can be PRTG. So there are different softwares which you can install on your end system and you can configure your end device as SNMP Manager. So SNMP Manager is the, you can say, user interface or you can say network administrator interface where he will sit and he can monitor all the device activities throughout your network. Now, second component of SNMP is SNMP Agent. All the networking devices, whether it is a router or it is a switch or it is a firewall, whatever network device it is, all those devices are SNMP agents. So if I have to draw the topology, so this will be my SNMP Manager and these all are my agents. So what we are doing here, Manager is collecting information from the agent. So there can be two ways. First way is my manager is sending a query and agent is giving me the response. For example, I want to know what is CPU utilization of the box. So I will send a query to the box, to the agent, and agent will give back me the reply that yes, CPU utilization is 4%. Second type of messages generated by the host itself. Those messages are called SNMP Traps. We also call them unsolicited messages because host is sending. We have not asked for it. Fine. So these type of messages are called SNMP traps. So I'm repeating the thing. There are two components: SNMP Manager, SNMP Agent. SNMP Manager can ask for information from the agent, and agent will give back the reply. Second, agent will automatically send some information to the manager in case of there is some change, interface goes down, neighborship comes up, it can be any change. Next, we have to understand now how SNMP will use both the port numbers like 161 and 162. Whenever manager is asking for any information, we will use port number 161. For that particular communication, we will use port number 161. But whenever devices has to generate any SNMP trap which it has to send to the manager, we will use port number 162. So this is how we are using the ports. So let me discuss about one or two type of messages that we are using under SNMP. Like we have a get message. Get message is used to retrieve information from the agent. Let's say you want to know host name of the device. So on the manager, on the web interface, you will click on host name and you will get host name of the device. There are other messages also like set. This time you want to change the host name. So you will use which variable? Set variable. So like this we can do multiple things from SNMP. So guys, in this video we have discussed what is SNMP, what are the different components of SNMP, and how SNMP uses both the ports 161 and 162. Thank you.